Once upon a time, in a small, enchanted forest, lived a friendly and kind-hearted werewolf named Remus Lupin. Remus was different from the other werewolves. He was born with a special gift, the power to control his transformation. He could choose when to change and when to remain a man. Every night, Remus would step out of his cozy den, under the silver moonlight, to explore the forest. He loved the quiet and peace of the night, the rustling leaves, and the twinkling stars. One night, Remus heard a tiny, frightened whimper. He followed the sound and found a small, lost kitten, shivering and scared. "Oh, little one," said Remus, "don't be afraid. I'm here to help." He picked up the kitten gently and promised to take the kitten home. The next day, Remus returned to the forest. He had a surprise in store for his friends. "I found a new addition to our family," he announced, and unveiled the tiny kitten. The other werewolves were surprised at first, but soon they fell in love with the little kitten. They named her Luna, after the beautiful, shining moon. From that day forward, Remus and Luna became the best of friends. They played together, explored the forest, and even shared their secrets. One night, Remus decided to show Luna the forest under the moonlight. He transformed into a werewolf, but Luna was not afraid. Instead, she looked up at him, her eyes shining with admiration. Remus smiled, realizing that he had found a friend who understood him, a friend who saw the good in him, and a friend who loved him, werewolf and all. And so, every night, Remus and Luna would sit under the moonlight, sharing stories and dreams. They were two unlikely friends, a werewolf and a kitten, but their bond was strong, a bond forged by friendship, understanding, and the magic of the night. The end.